Can you do a pull-up? How about 10? Most people can't even do one. It's a challenging exercise, but it's also incredibly rewarding. That's why I'm all about the 30-day pull-up challenge. This challenge is simple. Do pull-ups every day for 30 days. It's about pushing yourself. It's about transforming your body in a short amount of time. You'll be amazed at the results. This challenge is not for the faint of heart. It takes dedication. It takes discipline, but it's worth it. You'll build strength you never knew you had. You'll sculpt your back and arms. You'll feel more powerful than ever before. Ready to take on the challenge? Let's do this. I don't have time to work out. We've all been there. But guess what? This challenge doesn't require hours at the gym. It's about fitting in fitness wherever you can. No time for a full workout. Do a few pull-ups throughout the day, waiting for the coffee to brew, bang out a set. Commercial break during your favorite show. Time for some pull-ups. The key is to break it down. Don't think you have to do all your pull-ups at once. Spread them out. Every rep counts. Every little bit adds up. You'll be surprised how quickly you can build strength with this method. Remember, it's about consistency, not perfection. So ditch the excuses. Let's get to work. Motivation can be fleeting. We've all started a fitness journey with the best intentions, only to fall off track. But this challenge is about tapping into your inner strength. Don't rely on motivation alone. Build habits. Make pull-ups a non-negotiable part of your day. Like brushing your teeth, it's just something you do. Find an accountability partner, someone to cheer you on and keep you honest. Share your progress. Celebrate your victories together. Having someone in your corner can make all the difference. Remember why you started. Visualize yourself achieving your goals. Feeling stronger, healthier, more confident. Let that drive you. You got this. The pull-up is a compound exercise. This means it works multiple muscle groups simultaneously. It's a highly efficient way to build strength and muscle mass. Unlike isolation exercises that target a single muscle group, compound exercises like pull-ups engage several muscles at once, making your workout more effective and time efficient. Here's how you do a pull-up. Grab a bar with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width. This grip ensures that you engage your back muscles more effectively. Hang with your arms fully extended. This starting position is crucial for a full range of motion. Pull yourself up until your chin is over the bar. Focus on engaging your back and pulling with your elbows rather than your hands. Lower yourself down slowly and controlled. That's one rep. The descent, or eccentric phase, is just as important as the ascent for muscle development. Pull-ups primarily target your back muscles, your lats, traps, and rhomboids. These muscles are essential for a strong and stable upper body. They also work your biceps, shoulders, and forearms. This makes pull-ups a comprehensive upper body workout. It's a full body exercise disguised as an upper body movement. Your core and even your legs engage to stabilize your body during the exercise. Start with what you can do. It's okay if you can only manage one rep at first, even if it's just one rep. Consistency is key, and every rep counts towards your progress. Gradually increase the number of reps as you get stronger. Aim to add one more rep each week or every few workouts. You can also modify the exercise with assisted pull-up machines or resistance bands. These tools can help you build the necessary strength to perform unassisted pull-ups. The key is to challenge yourself and keep progressing. Remember, the journey to mastering pull-ups is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay motivated and celebrate your improvements, no matter how small they may seem. Section 5. Sarah's story from zero to hero. Meet Sarah. She's a busy mom of two who thought pull-ups were impossible. Sarah's days were filled with the hustle and bustle of motherhood. Between school runs, playdates, and managing the household, she barely had time for herself. Exercise seemed like a distant dream. She could barely do one pull-up. The idea of lifting her own body weight seemed daunting, almost impossible. But Sarah was determined to transform her body. She knew that if she could conquer this challenge, she could conquer anything. So she took on the 30-day pull-up challenge. It was a commitment to herself, a promise to push her limits. The first week was tough. Her muscles ached and she felt exhausted. She could only manage a few reps at a time, and each pull-up felt like a mountain to climb. She could only manage a few reps at a time, but she didn't give up. Every day she showed up and gave it her all, but she kept at it. Day after day, she pushed through the pain and the fatigue. Her determination was unwavering. Slowly but surely, she started to get stronger. Her muscles began to adapt and she could feel herself getting more powerful. By week 2, she was doing more reps. The pull-ups that once seemed impossible were now within her reach. By week 3, she was amazed at her progress. She could see the changes in her body and feel the difference in her strength. At the end of the challenge, Sarah could do 10 pull-ups in a row. It was a monumental achievement, a testament to her hard work and dedication. She had lost weight, gained muscle, and felt more confident than ever before. Her body was stronger, and her mind was more resilient. The challenge had transformed her body and her mind. It wasn't just about the physical changes, it was about the mental strength she had gained. Sarah's story is proof that anyone can do this challenge. It's a journey of perseverance, determination, and self-belief. It's not about where you start, it's about where you finish. Sarah's journey from zero to hero is an inspiration to us all. If she can do it, so can you. Section 6. John's journey, conquering the bar. John always struggled with his weight. From a young age, he found it difficult to maintain a healthy lifestyle. His eating habits were poor, and he rarely engaged in physical activity. He felt sluggish and out of shape. His energy levels were low, and he often found himself out of breath after simple tasks. This took a toll on his self-esteem and overall happiness. He knew he needed to make a change. The turning point came when he saw a photo of himself at a family gathering. He barely recognized the person staring back at him. That's when he discovered the 30-day pull-up challenge. It seemed daunting, but John was ready for a challenge. He researched and found a plan that suited his beginner level. John couldn't even do a single pull-up when he started. His arms felt weak and his body felt heavy. It was a humbling experience, but he didn't let it discourage him. But he was determined to conquer the bar. He set small, achievable goals for himself, knowing that progress would come with consistency and effort. He started with assisted pull-ups, using resistance bands to help lift his weight. Each day, he pushed himself a little harder, aiming to reduce his reliance on the bands, gradually decreasing the assistance as he got stronger. The challenge wasn't easy. There were moments of frustration and self-doubt, but John kept his eyes on the prize. There were days when John wanted to quit. His muscles ached, and his mind was tired. But he pushed himself, reminding himself of why he started this journey, fueled by the desire for a healthier, fitter life. He started eating cleaner, incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins into his diet. He learned the importance of nutrition in achieving his fitness goals and taking care of his body. He incorporated stretching and yoga into his routine to improve his flexibility and prevent injuries. This holistic approach helped him stay balanced and focused. By the end of the 30 days, John was a changed man. He had lost weight, built muscle, and gained a newfound confidence. His before and after photos were a testament to his hard work and dedication, and could do multiple pull-ups. What once seemed impossible was now a reality. Each pull-up was a victory, a symbol of his perseverance and strength. The challenge had not only transformed his body, but it had also ignited a passion for fitness. He looked at himself in the mirror with pride, knowing that he had earned every bit of his transformation. But it had also ignited a passion for fitness. John found joy in his workouts, and they became a regular part of his life. He discovered that fitness was not just about physical appearance, but also about mental well-being. John's story shows us that with determination and hard work, anything is possible. His journey is a reminder that no matter where you start, you can achieve your goals with persistence and a positive mindset. Section 7, the power of the pull-up. The 30-day pull-up challenge is more than just a physical transformation. It's a test of your mental fortitude. It's about pushing your limits and realizing your potential. It teaches you discipline, consistency, and the importance of setting goals. It shows you that you are capable of more than you think. The feeling of accomplishment after conquering a set of pull-ups is unparalleled. This challenge fosters a sense of community. It connects you with others who are on the same journey. It's about supporting each other, sharing tips, and celebrating victories. The 30-day pull-up challenge is a journey of self-discovery. It's about becoming the strongest, healthiest, most powerful version of yourself. Section 8. Join the movement. Are you ready to transform your body and your mind? Are you ready to join the ranks of those who have conquered the pull-up? The 30-day pull-up challenge is waiting for you. No more excuses, no more waiting for the perfect time. The time is now. Set your goal. How many pull-ups do you want to be able to do in 30 days? Write it down. Share it with the world. Use the hashtag #30day pull-up challenge. Let's do this together.